Hey everyone, just wanted to go over how to complete and submit the hour of code and the certificate you need to get at the end of that submission. So, as always, you go to code.org, which is also listed in the coding websites folder on the outside of all your week folders. So you click there, you can go to code.org. I've got a tab open already, so I'm going to go in. Make sure the very first thing you do is sign in using your Appo school district email, your Gmail account, or your Google account. Now, I'm not going to use mine because I'm registered as a teacher, and I want you guys to have the same view that I do, so I'm just logging in. Okay. And then once you are in, you need to follow these directions. A lot of people go back to the Express course that we started in the previous lesson. Do not go there. Okay, you're going to click Course Catalog. It is similar to the same way that we got into before, but then you hit grades K to 5, so you can go in there. And then the very first thing that pops up right here is the hour of code. Before we were going to the Express course, today we're going to the hour of code. Okay, now you're going to go in. You have two options. You can do the dance party option or the Minecraft. So if you go into dance party, you'll click start, or vice versa with the Minecraft. And we usually, I believe, do this one right here, the dance party regular version. And then for Minecraft, we do the Minecraft adventure. So you go in, you click start, you get working on it. It'll have an introduction video showing you what it's all about. Now, I didn't go over this with the Express course, but just a reminder, right? All the directions are at the top. You need to read them carefully. 9 out of 10 times when a student doesn't understand something, they need to go back up to the directions and see where they're making their mistake. Okay? If you have trouble, it'll play the audio for you. You can click right here and it'll start playing that audio. So go through, make sure you're following the directions. When you're done, I'm finished, and it'll lead you to a screen here, and you will be able to input your name. You'll click submit, and it comes up with this little certificate for you. You will click print, and on your iPad it'll come up as, I'm trying to zoom out here. The certificate will come up as well. You'll screenshot that. That'll be your submission for your formative, right? So if I get this screenshot, then I'll know you completed it. Now, otherwise, I'll show you in the Minecraft adventure. Here's the Minecraft adventure. Right? If you submit it without the certificate, you don't finish all the lessons. Your grade will be based on how many. Sorry, I'm zooming out here. Your grade will be based on how many of these bars at the top you fill in. I will say the dance party does have less lessons. It's got music, which students seem to like, but some people are more interested in doing Minecraft because that's what they're familiar with and what they like. So after you screenshot that certificate at the end, you are going to go back in to the submission. In this case, it was in week 3, right here, and you'd submit that screenshot as an attachment. So if you have any questions, feel free to send me a Schoology message.